Welcome back to Time Warner Cable's Local Edition. My name is Brad Pomerance. We are joined by Bernard Parks. He's a member of the Los Angeles City Council. And sir, I want to talk to you about the state of municipalities in California. As you know, as we speak today, 3 municipalities have filed bankruptcy. 2 of them, San Bernardino and Stockton, have said part of the reason was the weight of pensions. Talk to me as a council member about what you see in terms of that statement.
Well, I think it's very true. I think it's really personnel costs. If you add the issue of pensions, workers' comp, and medical, those are 3 vital issues that are going to drive cities into bankruptcy, because as you continue to hire people or if you maintain them on your payroll, those costs go up geometrically.
Now, what's interesting, though, is that we do see workers' comp reform out of Sacramento, so we hope that could help cities, counties, whatever it may be. Medical costs, maybe the Affordable Care Act will help that. But pensions really fall right in the lap of Los Angeles City. You're not part of CalPERS or CalSTRS. You have your own pension plan. And what we know is that pension costs, especially for public safety officers, of which you were one, are soaring.
They are.
Talk to me about that. I really ask you because you were the chief of police.
Well, I think the issue you find out is that on pensions, they're going to go up, and they primarily go up because of the increase in salaries. That's what drives it. There's only 3 parts of money that go into the pension fund: the return on investment, the employee's contribution, and the city's contribution. If the employee's contribution and the issue of the return on the investments go down, the city's investment goes up. And so you have a line as to what level you're going to keep the pension solvent. So it is an issue, but salaries, that's why when you hear about people making reforms, they're not only talking about pension reform, they're saying you can't give salary increases over a period of time.
But that being said, the voters did pass an initiative in March of 2001, which created some pension reform, but it was on a go-forward basis.
That's true.
It was targeting new hires. Now we have the issue of the current workforce.
That's right.
And under the California Constitution,
it's a contract.
It's a contract.
That's right.
So you would need to negotiate with the public safety unions.
Well, the issue is, from what I understand, and they've gone through this before, public safety unions cannot negotiate away your pension benefits of existing employees. It's an individual contract per employee. They can negotiate in the sense of other benefits. They can't even negotiate benefits for new employees because they don't represent new employees.
But they can negotiate at least pension contributions for current employees on a go-forward basis. The March 2011 initiative dealt with new hires.
New hires.
That's in the future.
Yeah.
We need
But the reason the city did not address current employees is because the legal minds in the city and the case law has said you cannot alter an existing pension contract.
But the problem,
I know the problem.
I don't want to bash workers because that's not what I'm here for, but it is very, very serious. The public safety pension obligations will reach over 15% in 2016 of the entire city budget.
That's true. They'll reach almost $1 billion, which is probably more than 15%. But again, it's tied to all of the things that were recommended in the new charter are 30 years from now, you'll get a benefit.
So what about today?
Today is that you're not going to alter the pension plan today because of the current situation as far as the law.
So what do we do?
The issue is what I think is going to happen is you're going to hit a wall, and all of a sudden you're probably going to go back to, just as we eliminated positions on sworn, I think eventually you're going to have to eliminate positions on police hires, not hire, and also reduce the workforce.
That won't go over very well.
It won't go over very well, but what's the option as far as what really won't go over very well is bankruptcy.
I hear you. His name is Bernard Parks, member of the Los Angeles City Council. I'm Brad Pomerance. Thanks for watching Time Warner Cable's Local Edition.